Welcome to my channel. Today my video is about Mastering Google Ads, a specialist tutorial. In this video, I will cover these points. What is a Google Ads specialist? Benefits of hiring a Google Ads specialist. Google Ads Specialist Tutorial. What you will learn in the tutorial. How to find a Google Ads specialist near you. Questions to ask a Google Ads specialist. Conclusion. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something that can revolutionize the way you do business online. I'm talking about the Google Ads Specialist tutorial. If you're looking to increase your online presence, attract more customers, and boost your revenue, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. It's designed to help businesses like yours improve their online advertising strategies and get the most out of Google Ads. What is a Google Ads specialist? A Google Ads specialist is an expert in creating and managing online advertising campaigns using Google Ads. They are responsible for researching keywords, creating ad copy, and optimizing campaigns to ensure maximum return on investment, ROI. Having a Google Ads specialist on your team can greatly benefit your business. They can help increase website traffic, generate leads, and ultimately drive sales. With their expertise, they can also save you time and money by ensuring that your campaigns are running efficiently and effectively. Benefits of hiring a Google Ads specialist. Hiring a Google Ads specialist can be one of the best decisions you make for your business. These professionals are experts in creating and managing effective Google Ads campaigns that drive traffic, leads, and sales to your website. One of the biggest benefits of hiring a Google Ads specialist is their ability to optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. They know how to target the right audience, create compelling ad copy, and use data to make informed decisions that improve your campaign's performance over time. Google Ads Specialist Tutorial. The Google Ads Specialist Tutorial is an in-depth training program designed to teach you everything you need to know about running successful ad campaigns on Google. From setting up your account to creating effective ads, this tutorial covers all the essential topics that will help you become a proficient Google Ads specialist. By completing this tutorial, you'll gain valuable skills that can be applied to any business looking to advertise on Google. You'll learn how to target the right audience, create compelling ad copy, and track your campaign's performance. With this knowledge, you can help businesses increase their online visibility and drive more traffic to their website. What you will learn in the tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create effective Google Ads campaigns that drive traffic, leads, and sales for your business. We will cover topics such as keyword research, ad creation, bidding strategies, and campaign optimization. By the end of the tutorial, you will have the skills and knowledge needed to become a successful Google Ads specialist. How to find a Google Ads specialist near you. One of the best ways to find a Google Ads specialist near you is through word of mouth. Ask other business owners in your area if they have worked with a specialist they would recommend. You can also check online reviews and ratings to get an idea of their reputation. Another option is to use Google's partner search tool. This allows you to search for certified Google Ads specialists in your area. You can filter by location, industry, and services offered to find the right match for your business. Questions to ask a Google Ads specialist. What experience do you have managing Google Ads campaigns? Can you provide examples of successful Google Ads campaigns you have managed in the past? Conclusion. In summary, a Google Ads specialist is an essential part of any business that wants to succeed in online advertising. With their expertise in Google Ads, they can help businesses reach their target audience and increase their conversions. By hiring a Google Ads specialist, businesses can benefit from increased ROI, improved ad performance, and more efficient ad spend. The Google Ads Specialist tutorial is a great way for businesses to learn the skills they need to manage their own ads or to evaluate the work of a hired specialist. When looking for a Google Ads specialist, be sure to ask about their experience, certifications, and track record. By taking the time to find the right specialist, businesses can ensure they are getting the best possible results from their advertising efforts.